As the coronavirus has forced businesses, restaurants, stores and theaters across the country to shut down, a quarter of American workers have filed for unemployment benefits. At the same time, the public health crisis has created some new jobs. As companies weigh how to reopen and bring staff back in a safe way, temperature screeners and COVID-19 testers will be needed. With parties and conferences unfolding over screens, video platform support specialists could find it easy to get hired. We have a public health disaster that's created a wide range of roles needed to contain the disease and increase the confidence of American consumers, said Julia Pollak, a labor economist at ZipRecruiter, a job marketplace. According to a list compiled for CNBC by Pollack, here are 8 positions that are likely to only increase in popularity. These workers will conduct swab tests at hospitals, nursing homes, factories and offices. The positions will likely be filled by registered nurses and nursing assistants. The pay can be as high as $45 an hour. These opportunities are open to many people who are willing to invest in the skills training, Pollack said. And this will still be a growing job for quite a while as factories and companies reopen. There's a surge in demand for caregivers to tend to the hundreds of thousands of Americans who've contracted COVID-19. Of course, people will want to consider the risks to their own health from such work. Wages typically go up to $25 an hour and may require training and certification. Contact tracers call people who might have contracted the virus to provide tips and try to arrange testing. The work can typically be done from home, part-time or full-time, and pays up to $25 an hour. Airports, sports stadiums, restaurants, schools, companies. In the pandemic era, all of these sites could have workers checking entrance temperatures. Hourly pay can be up to $25. Cities and towns are hiring officers, and people to assist officers, to follow up on complaints about people violating social distancing and other COVID-19 related policies, Pollack said. The work can pay up to $30 an hour. More from personal finance, stashing cash? Savings interest rates sink. How to make your money work harder in the coronavirus crash. These banks are offering coronavirus financial aid. Businesses and schools will need to install plexiglass shields and dividers if they want to safely accommodate students, workers and customers. As a result, there should be a high demand for people who can make and set up the structures. Wages can go up to $20 an hour. People around the country could be wearing face masks for years, according to some predictions, and so the demand for the coverings will stick around, too. Pollack expects companies to welcome back their employees with logo-branded masks. They could also be sold at sporting events and concerts, she said. Pay for people who can make the coverings can be as high as $18 an hour.